The Ice Ages were the times when glaciers dominated much of the Earth's surface, nearly 30% of its land, and things were colder and drier across the globe. But 74,000 years ago, it could have all ended for us. The volcano Mount Toba erupted 3,800 cubic kilometers of ash, covering 40 million square kilometers of Earth's surface, and producing a decade-long winter with 1,000 years of lower temperatures. Already Earth was cooler for 40,000 years when Toba made things worse, and more so when the Earth's orbital phase brought another boost of cool and dry. Thus a harsh glacial ice age when between 70,000 and 10,000 BC, megafauna like mammoths, saber-toothed cats, cave bears, and others went extinct, gone, and humans almost joined them. Perhaps we were reduced to 10,000 or 1,000 able adults on Earth, a bottleneck in our DNA traced to this event, this crisis from Toba. Pre-Toba was a peak warm period for the Ice Ages. Humans might have flourished. Then Toba and a glacial period happened when humans were in crisis and megafauna suddenly disappear, most likely due to human intervention. Not necessarily that the humans went out of their way to kill any and all of them, but humans used up more plant material and prey that was the necessary foodstuffs for megafauna. As is the case in recent prehistory, bigger dominant animals like the dinosaurs and the megafauna die in a time of crisis, and the lowlier species survive as they are many, smaller, require less, and have amply available food in comparison to the dominants who are bigger and require more to survive, get by, and reproduce. Sometimes the smaller animals can feed off the dead dominants, free food. Or the dead ones will feed insects and plants that the meek can consume easily. It can be more complicated than that, but that's the basic gist of what usually happens in recent prehistory. This is likely how extinctions happen. Megafauna died during the Ice Age crisis, and plants and other animals would have flourished with less competition for resources. Just as the dinosaurs died and mammals filled in, megafauna fell and others filled in, including grass and ruminants, hoofed mammals who mainly fed on grass and the like. Without the megafauna, grass and many animals would have thrived more or a lot more. Humans instead fed on grass out of convenience and harvested it to attract hoofed animals, future farm animals like cows, sheep, and goats. Humans ultimately advanced to agriculture in earnest, with domesticated grains like wheat, barley, and rye in the Middle East, and initially focused on the Levant. Agriculture in towns then popped up from Egypt to Mesos, and soon beyond to Turkey, Iran, Harappa, and possibly helped inspire East Asia to do the same a few thousand years off. So the Ice Age led into a very cold period and thus leading megafauna and humans to crisis. Humans survive and possibly hunt down and eat megafauna while competing for food, more scarce than before. Grass and ruminants could have flourished in the next phase and led into humans starting agriculture. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time. Take care.